Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to create a bot in Telegram. It's very simple and quite easy. So let's get started. First of all, open your Telegram application. Once it will opens, then in the search bar, search for BotFather, and here it is on the top. Just tap to open it. Next, click on the Start button here. Then click on New Bot here. Now choose a name for your bot. Like I choose CNB. Next, you need to choose a username for your bot, and it must end with _bot. Like I type CNB123_bot. Now, as you can see, this username is already taken, so you need to choose a unique name. And that's it. Now next, long press on this message and copy it. Next, go back and search for a new bot, like I am searching for Group Help Bot. And here it is on the top. Just tap to open it, then tap on Start button here. Next, paste your message here that you copied. Now it takes some time. And that's it. Now your bot is successfully created. Just tap on your bot name to open your bot. Then click on Start button here. And now you can use your bot in your group or anywhere according to your needs. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.